You should have made some comment to that.
All
Why
right.
is it going so fast?
Well, I mean, who wants to watch me unloading stuff for like 5 minutes?
Well, the floor pan in this looks pretty good, actually, minus the trash. It's like a 3-speed, 6-cylinder, 1965 Mustang that somebody cut the top off.
There we go. She's all off.
Start. It's gonna have to crank over like 7 times.
Somebody click that, please.
No smoke?
That
No
sounds
fire?
like my Banshee, but it's not. It's a Ford.
I'll throw a
Good.
Banshee.
Sorry.
That's pirate. Three. 10.
Oh, that's still pretty good.
How many times did it take for him to start up? What was your final prediction? 10?
Yeah, it went over 10 though. But the fact is, it ran, so that's okay.
Need some carb work.
Need some carb work.
No.
Okay, it's gonna go this time, I know it.
That's pretty good. Better than I expected.
And now we do some cutting of the drive shaft, cleaning up first because we actually didn't have a drive shaft for this. So we made something work temporarily just to make sure it could run. That's the view.
You can do it.
We get a big enough hammer?
Alright. I gotta go take a couple inches out of this. Yeah. That's a big enough one. Yeah, sure. Yeah. Sure. All right.
Okay.
That is the ugliest thing I've ever seen. Oh, would you look at that? Oh, would you look at that? Those Just went and grabbed the drive shaft out of one of the other cars. That's hot! Why do I keep grabbing it there? Alright. That's all we're doing now. Look at that!
Still running.
Slowly running through a tube in a gas can in a car.
Yeah, it's going up through the windshield.
Yeah.
Not dangerous.
Nope.
Alright. Yeah.
So, thanks for watching.
And we'll see y'all in the next video.